Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into FlexOffers, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your device. In the address bar, type in the URL for FlexOffers. Press the Enter key to navigate to the website. Once the home page loads, locate the Login button. The Login button is typically found at the top right corner of the page. Click on the Login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter your registered email address in the first field. In the second field, input your password associated with your account. Double-check both entries to ensure they are correct. After confirming your login details, click the Submit button. Wait a moment for the page to load your account dashboard. If your credentials are correct, you will successfully access your account. If you encounter an error, verify your email and password for accuracy. In case you forgot your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password via email. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard features. Explore the various tools available to optimize your performance. Remember to log out after your session for security. This concludes the login process for FlexOffers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.